at this. This is Araneta Square. There's a school over there, but it is closed right now because of pandemic. And yeah, Caloocan City is located bordered on the south by Manila, border on the what do you call this, east by Quezon City, and bordered on the northeast by Malabon, Valenzuela, and Nabotas. This is Monumento Circle. We call it, this is Monumento Circle. We call it, yeah. There's an MRT over there. SM. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my video. Have a wonderful day, and bye for now.